Hello, I'm Blevin Robinson with West Coast Cajun Cuisine, and today's video, seafood boil. Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. If this is your first time here and you're interested in learning how to cook authentic Cajun cuisine and comfort food, and just about anything for that matter, then you've come to the right place. Click that subscription button and that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Now today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I normally upload to my channel. I just recently got back from vacation. Went down to Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana area. Got to visit some family. Got to see my dad, who I haven't seen in 5 years. And had a great time. So during that stay in Mississippi, we drove down to a little seafood market in Louisiana, which I'll show you footage of. Picked up some blue crab, some shrimp. Unfortunately, crawfish wasn't in season at the time, so I wasn't able to get any of that. But we did pick up some crab and shrimp, like I said. Brought it back to the house in Mississippi. Had a nice little seafood boil with some family and stuff. All the footage didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but I'm gonna show you what I have. And I'm sorry I couldn't get a video out for you last week, but being gone for 2 weeks on vacation, coming back with a full-time job and school and everything, I just had a lot of stuff to get caught up on. But I'm gonna bring you this one this week. And then this weekend, coming up, there's gonna be 2 videos coming out within a 7-day period. 2 of them are collaborations with some other YouTube channels, which I'll explain when I release those. But there's gonna be one on the 3rd and one on the 5th. So keep an eye out for that. So in the meantime, let's go ahead and take a look at a little bit of vacation footage. you go, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it. If you're not a part of the West Coast Cajun Nation yet, hit that subscription button and that notification bell so you don't miss what's going on around here. Next week, I got 2 videos dropping in the same week. They're both collaboration videos. One's a tri-tip video, one's a smoothie video. They have hashtags connected to them, and when you click on those hashtags, they bring you to a playlist of all the other participants in that collaboration and their take on either the tri-tip collaboration or the smoothie collaboration. You guys might want to stick around and check that smoothie one. It's inspired by a cocktail in New Orleans called a Hurricane. It's going to have some alcohol in it. I'll try to make 2 versions for those of you who can't have alcohol. And if that sounds interesting to you, then make sure you keep your eyes peeled for those 2 videos, and I'll catch you guys next week.